At Siggins, we understand that your customer's unboxing experience can be almost as important as the product itself. We design our packing processes with your customer in mind. Accuracy is paramount. A well-designed packing process minimizes errors and ensures that customers receive exactly what they purchased. Efficiency enables a fast delivery at a low cost, and it boosts order processing capacity to help you meet the demands of a growing market. Ensuring product integrity throughout the delivery process requires the right packing materials in the right place at the right time. Intelligent routing systems allow certain orders to be directed to specific pack stations based on the order's unique characteristics. Optimum carton selection further contributes to cost savings by decreasing freight costs, as packages are tailored to minimize wasted space and weight. Contact Siggins now to find out how your packing process can better serve your business needs. Learn more at Siggins.com.